This 2017 Forest River Sandpiper 365 SAQB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Pottstown, Pennsylvania, 19464 and is offered for sale by Optimum RV, Pottstown. This used Forest River and features 4 slideouts, sleeps 9, slideout, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Optimum RV, Pottstown, visit RVUSA.com.